Hello people, what's up? My name is Snehal and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about styling clothes. I have never done it before. This is my very first time and I hope you all like this video because my brother was kind enough to give me his clothes and make some styling out of it. So I have his one jacket, one shirt, one t-shirt and one traditional wear. What they wear kurtas only. So that's it. So if you want to know what I did with his clothes, then please continue watching. It was my very first time doing this fashion stuff, and if you like it, please let me know by hitting the big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, the red button down below, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account, my Facebook Facebook account and my YouTube account. You can find all the links in the description box below. Go click it and you will be directly taken to my accounts respectively. So people, bye bye. That's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.